Are you wanting to know how to set up story highlights on your Instagram profile? Well, in this video, I'm not only going to walk you through step by simple step how to do it, but also some of my best tips, especially if you want to create a successful brand or business. So stay tuned. So on this channel, I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales just using social media. So if you want more videos like that, be sure to smash the subscribe button below, then click that little bell notification so you're always notified of videos just like this. So now what I'm gonna do is hop on my phone and walk you through step by simple step exactly how to create your first Instagram highlight, as well as some best tips. So follow me. So the very first step is to go to your Instagram profile. Now, as you can see, the highlights are these little circles at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to share with you how to actually use these to get tons of exposure for whatever it is you're doing online. Now, to add a new highlight, the first thing you need to do is you need to actually create a story. Okay, the highlights are only going to be taken from your Instagram stories. So you want to add an Instagram story, and you can put in text, you can put in a video, you can do a picture, whatever you want the highlight to be, and then you want to do that. Or you can, if you like one of your past stories, you can actually just go home, click the highlight, and it will show you your past stories that I can just select. Okay, let's say I want that one. Once you select it, it's gonna pop into this window. Okay, now the first thing it's gonna do is allow you to enter in a title. So this is gonna be the words that show up underneath the circle that we call a highlight. Now it's important to write something here that's descriptive and eye-catching. Okay. Now they limit you to only a certain amount of characters. In fact, if I try to type in any more, see, that's the limited amount. So you got to get creative on how you can put in as much information in as little words as possible. Now, if I click edit cover, it's going to edit, okay, either the cover that I've used for the story, and I can move that around, or I can click here and then upload a different image. And now, as you can see, it's added to my highlight. Now, if you ever want to remove a highlight, you can just click the bottom right 3 dots and then hit remove from highlights. And now it's removed. Now, how did I create these really beautiful highlights that allow me to categorize my content? So for example, when someone clicks on my Facebook and they click the link, it's actually going to take them to my Facebook fan page. Thus, I get a lot of traffic and clicks just using this. So how do you actually do this? Well, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to create a story of just this text. So for example, if I go to create a story, let's say I wanna promote my Facebook. So what I could type in here is Facebook. Okay, like that. Now let's say I like that and I wanna go to the next step and add that to my story. Now I've created the story post. Now I would add a new highlight by clicking that plus sign, and I'll see it right here. I can start typing in the title, okay, Facebook. I can edit the cover if I want it bigger. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then hit done. Now that's created that beautiful looking highlight. Now the last thing you may be wondering is how exactly do you add links? Well, this is done when you're creating the story. You can go to this little paperclip, click there, and then add your URL. Now I do want to say adding a link is only available right now for people that have a verified business account on Instagram and over 10,000 followers. So be sure to watch some of my other training videos on this channel revealing how to start getting more followers and engagement so then you can add links. But in the meantime, I would focus on adding highlights, your top popular stories, and other inspirational messages for your followers. So now you know how to set up Instagram highlights to get more exposure, especially for a brand or a business. But how do you start generating leads on Instagram? Well, be sure to grab my free training series down below revealing exactly how to generate over 50 leads a day on Instagram. Well, thanks so much for watching, my friend. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends and any business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, I'd love to hear your feedback. Comment below, what do you want me to help you with next? I'm making these videos consistently, and I want to answer your burning questions. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will catch you on the next video.